everyone, and welcome back to Eyes on Digital, reporting to you live at the top of the Hoff here, located in downtown Boise, Idaho. Happy Wednesday, everyone. We hope you're having a great week. For the middle of our week topic, we are going to be talking about how to define your marketing audience. Making sure you are reaching the right audience when marketing is very important for your company. Here are a few steps you need to take when finding your target audience. Number 1, make sure you analyze your product and consider the different demographics that you are targeting, such as age, gender, social, political affiliation, and etc. Number 2, find your focus. Is it local, regional, national, or international markets? Number 3, make sure you research your competitors so you know who your competition is. And finally, number 4, get an outside opinion by taking surveys to see what demographic you might be missing. For more information on marketing, make sure you check out all of our social media platforms or our website at getsocialized.com. See you next time.